Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Kaworu figure is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of Neon Genesis Evangelion, capturing the enigmatic beauty and serene presence of the iconic character in stunning detail, making it a centerpiece for any display and a testament to the enduring legacy of this beloved anime series, truly a must-have for dedicated enthusiasts. Number 5. Sega Rebuild of Evangelion Kaworu Nagisa Premium Figure. Step into the world of Evangelion with this stunning new collectible. It captures the essence of a beloved character with incredible precision. Every stitch and fold of the uniform has been meticulously recreated. You'll appreciate the attention to detail in its design. Crafted by Sega, this figure boasts premium quality materials and finish. It's built to be a centerpiece in any collection. Its pose is both dynamic and graceful, perfectly reflecting the character's personality. The expression on its face is truly captivating. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the series, this is an essential addition. Don't miss the chance to own this exquisite piece. What we like. This figure captures him in his iconic uniform, offering a classic and recognizable portrayal. If you are looking for a straightforward, high-quality representation of him in his standard attire, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for fans who appreciate the timeless look. What people say. Number 4. Sega Evangelion Nagisa Kaworo Premium Figure. Immerse yourself in the world of Evangelion with this stunning premium figure. It captures the essence of Nagisa Kaworo, a beloved character from the series. This figure is officially licensed by Sega, ensuring its authenticity and quality. You can be confident in its genuine design and craftsmanship. Directly imported from Japan, this is a truly special item for any fan. It's very limited and highly collectible, making it a valuable addition to your collection. Featuring the iconic spear of Cassius, it showcases intricate details. Minor assembly is required to bring this masterpiece to life. Standing approximately 8.6 inches tall, it's the perfect size for display. Its dimensions are 4L x 4W x 8.6H, making it a striking centerpiece. What we like. This version stands out with its inclusion of the iconic spear of Cassius, making it a unique and scene-specific collectible. If you are a dedicated collector seeking a rare piece from a specific moment, you should consider this one. Its limited availability and Japanese origin add to its allure for serious enthusiasts. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 3. Sega Evangelion, New Theatrical Edition LPM Figure Kaworu Nagisa. Discover the latest collectible from Sega. This stunning LPM figure brings a beloved character to life with incredible detail. It's a true masterpiece for any fan. Inspired by the iconic Evangelion, New Theatrical Edition, this piece captures the essence of the film. It's a must-have for fans of the series, reflecting its unique style. Experience the superior quality of an LPM figure. Every curve and expression is meticulously crafted, showcasing its premium design. You'll be amazed by the attention to detail. Kaworu Nagisa is beautifully rendered, reflecting his enigmatic presence. Fans will appreciate the faithful recreation of his distinct appearance. He truly stands out. Add this magnificent piece to your collection today. It stands as a testament to your passion for Evangelion and its memorable characters. You won't want to miss out on it. Proudly presented by Sega, a trusted name in entertainment. You can be assured of its authenticity and high standards. It's a genuine article for your display. What we like. This figure from the New Theatrical Edition offers a fresh and dynamic interpretation of the character. If you like the updated designs and modern aesthetic of the newer films, this piece will perfectly complement your collection. It's an excellent option for those seeking a contemporary take on him. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 2. Bandai Ichibansho Kaworo Nagisa EVA 01 Test Type Awakening Figure. Immerse yourself in the world of Evangelion with this captivating figure. It brings to life the beloved character, Kaworu Nagisa, in his EVA 01 Test Type Awakening form. Standing approximately 8.66 inches tall, this collectible statue commands attention. Its presence will enhance any display, making it a focal point for fans. Experience the incredible artistry with its highly detailed design and masterful sculpt. Every nuance of the character is faithfully reproduced, capturing his essence perfectly. This is an authentic Bandai Ichibansho figure. It comes with an affixed official bluefin and Bandai Namco label, guaranteeing its legitimacy. Rest assured, it has been thoroughly tested for safety and meets all North American consumer product safety regulations. This also entitles you to dedicated product support assistance. What we like. This highly detailed statue captures a dramatic moment, depicting him in his EVA 01 test-type awakening form. If you are looking for a truly striking and intricate display piece with a powerful narrative, this figure is an exceptional choice. Its incredible sculpt and official Bandai Spirits quality ensure a premium collector's item. What people say. Number 1. Sega Neon Genesis Evangelion, Nagisa Kaworo Premium Coat Figure. Behold the stunning Nagisa Kaworo Premium Coat Figure. This exquisite piece captures the iconic character in remarkable detail. Rest assured of its authenticity. It is officially licensed by Sega, guaranteeing a genuine product for your collection. Experience true Japanese craftsmanship. This figure is imported directly from Japan, bringing you the highest quality. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history. It is very limited and highly collectible, making it a prized possession for fans. Get ready to display it in no time. Only minor assembly is required, allowing you to enjoy your new figure quickly. Standing at approximately 8.6 inches tall, it's perfectly sized for any display. Its dimensions are 4L x 2W x 8.6H, making it an impressive addition. What we like. This figure features him in a stylish coat, offering a distinct and elegant appearance. If you appreciate unique character outfits and a more sophisticated aesthetic, this limited edition piece is ideal. Its Japanese import status and premium design make it a standout for collectors who value exclusivity and fashion. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews was empty. No review points could be extracted as no content was supplied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.